Hi guys, my name is Philip Samuel. I'll be educating you, giving you snippet information that you require to grow your TikTok account, to keep it safe and to make more money. If you're not following me yet, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you get notified whenever I drop a video and a content educating you. Does TikTok actually pay more than every other social media existing at this moment? The answer is yes. TikTok does pay more than every other social media, including the one from which you're watching this video at the moment. Now, let's talk about how do I make money from TikTok? So, we have various means of making money from TikTok, one of which is through the Creators Program. Now, the Creators Program is basically you having an account that is a foreign account that is not Nigerian. So, between UK, Italy, US, and some other countries that I would want to put in the comment section for you to know that if you're having this account from this country, you're able to join the TikTok Creators Program. Now, how do you actually make money from this program? You post a video above 1 minute, an original video above 1 minute. TikTok looks at it and decides, okay, this video is above 1,000 views, is above 1 minute, and it is an original video that does not violate any of TikTok terms and conditions and policy. Now, TikTok starts counting what they refer to as valid views. So, take for an example, I posted a video and it had about 5,800 views. When I went, I saw $1 plus. I went down to the analytics and I found out that the valid views were about 2,900. So, they gave me $1 plus. You understand? Now, as you all know, on the Blue app, that's Facebook. If you have 5,000 views, even if all were valid, you don't still get up to $1. Same thing applicable to other application except YouTube. Of course, YouTube does pay us quite well. Now, after the creators program, say I don't have a foreign account. How do I make money from TikTok? You can also make money from TikTok via video gifting. So somebody can watch your video and say, oh, I like the content this person is creating. I like the concept of this video. And they choose to give you a gift from the video. That's called video gifting. All these amounts are going to show up in your balance and you'll be able to decipher and tell where the money is coming from. The next place you can make money, or the next segment from TikTok that you can make money, is from which one should I pick first? The live gifting. When you go live on TikTok while having or doing your thing, if you want to go live playing music, if you want to go live raising awareness, just chilling, talking to people, whatever it is that you do, if you go live on TikTok and people come around and start gifting you, depending on the category of gift, but every gift counts. After the day, after the live is over, you go to your balance and you're going to see how much you have made for the day. So this is how some people survive. I can tell you from going live, I've seen somebody that made about $5,000 after their live. So yes, that's a lot of money for doing a live for maybe 6 hours, 7 hours. So if you start thinking about it, there's basically no application that would give you $5,000. And this all depends on what I have seen. And I think there are people that have gotten more than this. Now, another way again that you can get money from TikTok is from working with artist. So I have a music and I put my music out there and say, okay, any person that uses this music and you get XYZ amount of views, I will give you this percentage. Yeah. So you pick that video or you pick that sound and make a video. If your video goes viral and hits the mark at which the creator has already put in, you get the money. Whatever bounty, whatever bonus that comes with it is yours. Some people can put, oh, I'm going to give out $8,000 if this video can get to 5,000 views, 20 million, all that. So you can actually be a part of it if you qualify for using working with other artists. That's what it's referred to on TikTok, work with other artists. There is another one. You can advertise on behalf of a store owner. So TikTok has a shop, right? TikTok has a store. So if you advertise on behalf of and a purchase comes through you, so it's more like affiliate marketing. you also get a percentage. And the last one that is not really mentioned on TikTok, I don't want to put it as live gifts, is referred to as the box game. The box game are matches that are played. It can be played between four people. It can be played between two people head to head. So it's just basically me going live and checking for a co-host and tell them, do you want to play a match? And you put the match symbol automatically. There's a countdown. Just before the countdown, whoever gets the most gifts is declared the winner. But if you might be losing but still gaining. So take for an example, myself, Samuel, against my friend behind the camera, Emmanuel. We are on a box game, and I probably get gifted 1 million TikTok coins, and he gets gifted 500 TikTok coins, 500,000 TikTok coins. I'm probably the winner, so I might be going home with, say, $15,000 just for that 3 minutes, just a 3 minutes game, and he might be going home with maybe $5,000. You see what I'm trying to say? So you can make money in multiple ways on TikTok. Let nobody deceive you. TikTok, it is the future, is the present. Maybe some other application in the future might come out. But if you don't have a TikTok account, I implore you, I encourage you, go get one now.